It's often said that GoPro's official accessories are better than all the third-party knockoffs. But which ones should you get? To answer that question, I'm going to buy every accessory on GoPro.com so you don't have to. Oh, that's it. Huh? Ah, just let me get that. This is the original three-way here, and this is the three-way version 2. Now, the main difference is that the tripod, you have to unscrew it out of the version 1, whereas with the version 2, the tripod is now built into the handle. Also, we now have the buckle clip, so it's just all in all much quicker and better to use. So now I've put it in linear mode, so I can show you how you can make the stick not appear in shot. Yes, that's got to be it. Now GoPro, can you please stop releasing things so I can finish this video, please? I've already been bankrupted enough as it is, so. I think it's fair to say they've combined a battery grip, a remote, and a max grip into one unit. So all in all, it feels very well manufactured, and after some thorough testing, I'll drop a review on this channel. So now back to the video. So with the suction mount attached to my windscreen here, I can quite simply vlog as I go along. Like so. you can see, the beauty of this setup is that I'm essentially hands-free when I need to be. And it's simple to face it forwards because of how the hand grip works.
The head strap mount is not very secure when it's on your head. But if you've got a way to fix it to a helmet, then it's okay.
Because we're using the max lens mod, we can rotate it around in any direction and the picture's going to stay the same. So we can do some pretty cool things. So if you look around my head where not so much light is touching, it's very, very grainy there. But if we turn on this light, the light mod, you can see that it just lights the whole area so well. So that makes a massive difference to the quality of your image.
When you're using the display mod, the rear screen goes black, but to return it to normal operation, just press the button once on the side of the display mod and then you'll get your rear screen back to change any settings you need. I wanted to test the new Enduro Battery, so I changed the settings to 5.3K 60 Super View and Hyper Smooth Boost. I got 55 minutes and 21 seconds. And then comparing that to the standard GoPro 10 official battery, same settings, 5.3K 60 Super View with Hyper Smooth up to the top, I only got 37 minutes and 28 seconds. With the replacement side door, you get access to your USB port, and there's a rubber gasket to keep any water droplets out. It also comes with a cable that's 3 times as long as the one that comes with your camera. It's perfect to keep your camera powered for those extra long time lapses. When I need something extra secure, I crack out the GoPro tool in order to make sure it's really, really tight. And don't forget the smart remote to control your camera from a distance.
So if you have the GoPro Pro Mic Adaptor, or even the Media Mod, you can plug in a wireless audio setup if you have one, and that way you'll get nice clean audio no matter how far away you are from the camera. Pretty useful, I might say.
In order to get realistic motion blur, you might need to apply an ND filter to your camera. You'll also need to change your shutter speed to double your frame rate. I was filming in 25 frames per second, so that's 1/50th.
Get out of here!